Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I am stopping by with some more summer cards for the little collab that I'm doing with Teresa from Fresh and Renewed with Teresa. For the month of August, on every Wednesday, we are sharing some summer cards as a final farewell to summer before we move on to autumn and holiday cards. So today I did make 3 cards. I did use my formula that I've been using. I did 1 stamp set, 1 paper pad, and 1 sketch for my cards. So the stamp set was the Guppies from Sweet November Stamps. Fun mermaids, because mermaids, when I think of them, I think of oceans or beaches and stuff, and that's kind of summery, and I haven't done mermaid cards in a while, so I did use these fun mermaids. And the paper pad that I used is a very old, I guess it was right this way, 6x6 from Kaisercraft called the Seaside collection. What I liked about this, it's really falling apart, is that at the back of it, it has like these almost like die cut shapes. So I did use some of those to add some details. And then I used some gold glitter dots from Gina Marie Designs. I will put on the screen now the Mojo Monday sketch that I used for my cards. And here we go. I think that they turned out so super cute. I just love them so much. So there's all of them together. Now let's take a closer look at them. For this one, there's that cut apart or die cut that I used. And again, that sketch, those dots, that cute mermaid, and a wish, a splash, and a birthday bash. I did put that on all of them. So there's that one. The one blue one, I love her. She just is so pretty. And again, that same thing, a wish, a splash, and a birthday bash on the inside. And then the last one, I did her in red, which is so fun. This paper almost is, it's shiny, like it's foiled almost. It's really pretty. And again, the same thing on the inside there. So there are my 3 cards that I created for this final farewell to summer collab. Again, everything is linked in the description box below. Make sure you hop on over to Teresa's channel, see what she's created this week. We have one more week to share our summer cards with you. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment. And until my next video, go do something for yourself or go get crafty. See you soon. Bye.